got some blood here, down here, here, here on his side, and then okay, he's got some redness right here. It's okay. Above his eye, he's bleeding down here, and it's okay, baby. Okay. Almost 10 p.m. and we just got back from the ER, right, Bronxy? I can't tell if he's drugged out or if he's just shut down as a dog, because he's like, hopefully it's the first and not the latter. Hi, bud. Are you okay? It's okay. Look at it. I can't tell. Are you all drugged up? This is a puncture that actually broke his skin. We just have to keep a really good eye on that one. He got another puncture here. He's definitely got, yeah, he got puncture there. He's got, definitely in here, he's also got some, they cleaned it up, but they didn't shave this part for whatever reason, but you can see for sure that he's gotten, like in there, all just scraped up. No, he's gotten scraped up in there, like right there. He's definitely got blood. Then he also got one here that they shaved as well. It looks even worse when he's trying to walk, because I think he's just in a lot of pain. So, yep. Looks a lot more alive now that he's at urgent care, right, Bronx? Nothing like a visit to the doctor to make him look more alive. Right, Bronxy? Little, I wonder if that was a bite mark. Actually, now it's connecting. Poor little thing. You poor little thing. There's still a little bit of a scab right there. Okay, so this is what his body looks like today. This is the right side. This is what his back looks like. Hi, bud. I know, baby. And then this is what his left side looks like, right over here. His chin where he had that bite mark. He actually, I didn't realize this. He has a scab here. This right here is a mole, but he has a scab right in here. I think he got bit there too. We didn't realize. Yeah. And then his underbelly, so it's looking a lot better. This is fading away here. And then this is his right side. Okay, so let's take a look at Bronx's body today. This scab right here, well, if it will focus, there we go. Okay, so we have this one right here, and then we have on the left side of his body over here and here, changing colors. There's scabs right there. There's a pretty big scab right there. Okay, hold on, Bronx. And then this right here, there's fluid coming out of it right now. I also forgot to film this side of his face, so let's see, can we find find it? Right here. That is skin, pink skin, after the scab fell off.